Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1966 Chevrolet Malibu. Love this car, man. One of those cars that it's just not been messed with a whole lot. Very cool history, a lot of documentation. It's got the original 327 in it, the original 4-speed in it, and they left it alone as a Malibu. And the kicker is it's a factory bucket seat with console car, which most of these, I mean, just the buckets and console are just worth a ton. Most people have cloned them up and put SS badges and a big block in them. I love the stance. I love the Cragars on it. It's got big and littles on it. Factory color combination. It's Marina blue with a factory medium blue vinyl interior. I believe from everything we have, it looks like a 3-owner car with like 80,000 original miles on it. The car was bought new in Colorado. We have all the documentation for that, the original sales receipts, the original owner's manuals, the protecto plates with this car, even the matchbook that came with it from the dealer. Like I say, just a killer little car, man. If you're looking for just a nice, straight, clean Malibu, I think you're gonna love this car. I don't know how to describe the restoration. As you can see, most of the trim and stuff like that is actually original on this car. It's got all the original T3 headlights. Obviously, it's been repainted. They've added disc brakes, and it's got 3-inch exhaust. And of course, the Cragars aren't original. But you can see it's still got the little bumperettes on it. This car is clean, straight. My only hope is that somebody just doesn't take it, start cutting it up, and, you know, I would not touch this car. Leave it alone. If you want to add and, you know, put some trim on it and stuff like that, because like I say, a lot of that stuff is original, you know, you could do that. A little fade there you can see in the dash pad. But the car is just killer. And it drives like a little baby doll, man. It hits the road great. Again, factory color combination. This is Marina blue metallic. I'm glad we got some sunshine today. There's the original dealer that sold it new. The car was in a magazine, tells a little story about the car. You can see it's nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around. It's got 275s in the rear, so it's got some meats. Of course, those are 15-inch Cragar SS rallies. Yeah, I dig this car, man. This car came to Michigan in the 90s. Like I say, you can see the little story with it that is in the magazine where the guy that, this guy's buddy bought it, and he talked him out of it, you know, I think 10 or 12 years later, he said. Original 327. It's got a Holley 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Factory manual steering car, which a lot of them would have been with that 4-speed. Harrison radiator. They've added power front disc brakes. You can see it's got the old OptiClean windshield washer bottle in it. Correct 4-speed manual transmission in it. And it's got the protecto plate so you can go through everything on it. As a matter of fact, it's got the stock. Is it 308? I think it's 308. Posi rear end in it, 10-bolt rear end. Really cool car, man. Bunch of stuff coming. I got a bunch of stuff here. As long as Mother Nature cooperates, we're going to try to get a lot of that stuff advertised in the next couple of days. You can see it's got the dual chrome mirrors on it. Your 8-pillar chrome is nice. So that stuff's original. I'd even venture to say those are original door handles. I think this is original paint in here. See, the door skins are nice and clean. I think that's the original paint. Door pads are original. They've obviously put carpet in it. I'm going to guess those are the original seats. Again, factory bucket seats, console, the T-handle shifter, all that stuff is correct. It's got the factory gauge package in it as well, knee knocker tach. We couldn't get that to work, so I don't know if the tach's bad. Or 83,000 original miles, factory AM FM radio, and it works. It's got a real good sound, an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. Again, this is the original paint here in your jams. Jack with spare here in the trunk. See your numbers on your quarters. Wax guys. And again, this is the stuff that's cool. You can see that. That's the car actually right there. It's on the cover of the old car magazine. Here's your, like I say, original keys, original match pack, original sales receipts, just some pictures he's had, you know, some brochures, original Protecto plate owner's manual. Car's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Clean underneath, but not overdone. Turn the key and go cruise, man. Yeah, little fade there. So if a guy wanted to clean that stuff up, I wouldn't, you know, but I just wouldn't touch it. I'd leave it alone. Turn the key and go drive this thing. Have a blast. But, hey, that's what makes hot rodding, man. I tell people, man, to each his own. Everybody does their own thing. Oh, clock works in there. Gauges are nice and clean. Glass is nice on the car. There's the factory soft brakes. It's got great sound. Here the parking brake works. Nice and tight. Engine has been redone. Does run on pump gas, but really just a stock type of rebuild. No, you know, no big cam or anything. That's just a good car right there, and it just rolls down the road. Gauges are all working. Car holds good oil pressure, but that tach is not working, guys. Probably gonna need a new tach. Oh. Make sure the handles are. Doors opening, everything fits good. I mean, it's nice. Hopefully you can see this. Everything back here works, even the reverse lights. Yeah, they work. Like you say, it's got, they put 3-inch flows on it, so it's got good sound. Obviously, that's, I wouldn't have been like that. 5% APY. Radio works, blower motor works. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us. That car looks like it belongs on Woodward Avenue. Our local cruisers will know what I mean there.